Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator, business coach, and I want to come on here and talk to you about 401ks. Let's talk about those retirement plans. Do you have a 403b? Do you have a 457? Do you have a TSP? Do you have an IRA? Do you have annuities? Do you have a pension plan? I want to talk to you about how to take control of these plans and do what's known as a rollover. Now, if you have these old programs from your old employer, the thing is you need to take back ownership. And that's why I want to teach you how to move those unsecured accounts and bring them into a secure account so you can continue winning the money game. So I want to show you how to do this, and all you have to do is click the link or text 973-873-5977 because I want to teach you. I want to show you how to win the money game. It's important for you to learn how to do a rollover. Move your unsecured retirement plans and make them secure where we can guarantee you to never lose nothing and always in a position where you can keep what you got and also continue to make some money at the same time and even get a sign-on bonus. Did you know that we have vehicles and companies that we partner with that can give you anywhere from a 9 to even as far as 30% upfront upon doing that rollover. So if you want to learn how to qualify for this, get in touch with me so I can show you how to move your funds from unsecured to secure. I'll see you at the top. Keep winning.